What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Tynka Time. As you see behind me, I picked up a new tool this weekend. I drove up to Lincoln, North Carolina to Vapor Hunting Technologies, and I picked up the Weekend Warrior to do some cleaning around the shop. I go through a lot of, obviously I buy a lot of bikes and do a lot of rebuilds, and I wanted to be able to clean my parts up and have a nice solid finish on my product when I'm finished. I've done a little bit of research on different machines. This one seems like it was the best bang for my buck. Obviously nothing big will fit in there, but heck, if I like it enough, maybe I'll upgrade. So I'm going to do a little review on the product. I just unloaded it from the truck and hooked it up, so let's get to it. Alright, I opted to go with the Weekend Warrior open loop system. It was cheaper, and I'm brand new to vapor blasting, so I didn't know what I was getting into. I figured I'd try it out, and Vapor Hunting Technologies actually has a great upgrade program, so they'll give you full price as long as you take care of your unit. They'll give you full price what you paid for this to upgrade. So if I wanted to upgrade to the next model, they'd give me exactly what I paid for this to upgrade. So I thought that was really cool. So it comes on a pallet, but I just unbolted it, slid it up against the wall, and it's sitting here. So you have a line coming out that you hook your water hose to, which I did there, and this is your overflow. The top one is your overflow, and you want to empty that each time you're done blasting for the day. And then this is your water drain, and then the media drain here. So on the side, it's got two switches. One's your light for inside the cabinet, and one is for your pump. Your pump is foot activated down here, so you just, it's all controlled by your foot there. So the Weekend Warrior comes with the window rinse system and foot pedal control. They do offer a basic model that comes minus those two, the window rinse and the foot pedal. So, and it's a little bit cheaper, but I like those options, so I decided to go with it. A little look inside, you got your freshwater rinse here, and obviously your gun. You can lift the pumps all inside of there. You just dump your media in there, and you fill it to the drain, the top drain over there, and you're ready to rock. After you're not ready to rock yet, then you just plug up your air supply here. I'm shooting at right now 60 psi with the 170 325 glass bead, and that's all I'm doing. So I got this old sprocket here, and I taped it up right down the middle. This is like an aluminum tape, kind of protect it a little bit, and hopefully it withstands the glass bead. But we're going to throw this in the old booth there and see what kind of results we can get out of it. Check this out, guys. 8 minutes. The blaster is a very this is a finer abrasive, so just a little elbow grease. But look at the job that it does. It is just insane. Alright guys, that was super simple setup, super easy machine. Performs great as you've seen. I've done a couple other little things like a dirty intake that I had. It's looking brand new again. I did just the carb bowl of this carburetor. It wasn't terrible to begin with, but you can definitely tell a difference. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Contact me if you guys need anything cleaned up. I'd be more than happy to help you guys out. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.